Insert bolts by selecting the bolt object. Choose the structural component to connect, for example, a plate. Open the editor to position the required bolts. Adjust the grid layout or use 2D graphic tools to define precise reference points for bolt placement. Select the bolt object and use snap points to align and attach it accurately to the grid nodes. Confirm the operation to return to the 3D model view. Set bolt properties by assigning diameter and strength class to the bolt group. Add additional bolts using the same procedure. Edit the bolt group by selecting Edit to modify the number and/or position of bolts.